Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems to be an easy one, so let's remove the comments real quick. Then I'll make A and I'll remove everything after the style tag. So now we'll use star background, and the background will be this purple like color. Then body, so the body will have a background color of this, I'll call it light purple, so light purple color. Now I'll give it margin. The margin is 100. Let me switch on the difference real quick so that we can see what margins we need. So 80, 70, and here it will be 60. Yeah. So now I'll use A, and A will have a width of, and it will be okay. I'll give 200 straight, and a height of 100, and position fixed. So margin -10, -10, 20, 30. Okay, 20 was enough here, and here 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, -100. Okay, now I'll use box shadow, and with box shadow I will give it like 64 Q and 0. Also, let's do one thing: copy, color, paste. So instead of 64 we can now go to 114, 214. Okay, so instead I'll decrease the width to maybe 100. We'll see box shadow later on. First let me give it a proper okay, 0 is enough. So now box shadow, and the box shadow will be, I'll obviously start with 64 and 0, then not 64, we'll go 104, 164. Wait, do we need to give, we'll need a bigger one, so maybe 150, and here it will obviously be -50. So 164, 174, 80, 90, and maybe it will be 200. 1, yeah. So this will be -10 Q, -50 Q, 60 Q, 40 Q, 41, 42. I'll give it in pixels. 190, and even here pixels 40. Now next one will be it will be 0, and the next value will be around 100 pixels. So we need to do a little bit something, so 10 pixel, 40 pixel, yeah, and 160, 70, okay, 140. Next one, it will be, I think it will be around 100 pixel and 100 pixel, pretty much there. 150, 70, 80, 90, 200, not 1200, 200. So a little bit more, 220, 230. Okay, let's submit it. Should be 100% match because nothing is visible. Okay, so our score is 671.26. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.